I challenged myself to a no-spend weekend last month. I ended up having one of the most enjoyable weekends in months. 48 hours where you spend zero on non-essentials. Bills and groceries already bought don't count. The goal: enjoy life without spending money. Have food in the house before Friday night. Identify free activities in advance. Tell someone. Accountability helps. Hike, park, bike ride, free museum day. Cook a new recipe from what's already in your pantry. Movie night at home, game night, catch up on a book. You'll notice every impulse to spend. Most spending is habit, not genuine desire. One no-spend weekend often saves $80 to $150. One no-spend weekend per month equals $1,000 plus saved per year. Gets easier every time. Track it with your monthly budget tracker. Track your no-spend wins in our free monthly budget tracker, link in description. New tips Monday, Wednesday, Friday. If this helped you at all, please hit the like button right now. It tells YouTube this video is worth showing to more people. And subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.